Assalamualaikum. Stand up first. Subject English. Unit 2. Page number 16. 2.3. Let's talk. Listen and repeat. What is this? This is duster. What is this? This is pencil. What is this? This is book. What is this? This is chalk. What is this? This is slate. Look and say. What is that? That is a bicycle. What is that? That is a door. What is that? That is a tree. What is that? That is a fan. What is that? That is a bird. What is that? That is a window. Thank you.